How to make a homemade ointment to sleep better. Would you like to sleep better? In order for your body to be both physical and psychologically well, you need to get good sleep no less than 8 hours a day without interruption. We often don't realize how important sleep is for our health. During this period of rest, some of your body's vital functions are activated. These help regulate your hormone production, brain health, and metabolism, among other things. You might be accustomed to getting less sleep because you think it's harmless. However, the truth is that with time, there are some unwanted reactions that affect your quality of life. Sleep-related disorders can immediately cause episodes of fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and hunger pangs that cause you to eat more than you should. Ideally, you should identify the problems that are causing you to sleep poorly and find a way to address them. Among the many natural remedies for good sleep are a homemade ointment that help you sleep better. This is thanks to its healthy combination of ingredients. In today's article we want to tell you more about it and how to make it. Homemade ointment to sleep better. We usually battle sleep disorders with sedative medications. However, there are some alternative methods that can resolve them without exposing your health to any adverse reactions. The natural ointment that we want to share with you today has a very pleasant and relaxing aroma. After you apply it, it stimulates the production of the hormones that are in charge of helping you sleep better. It is made from a combination of healthy ingredients like coconut oil and olive oil. These are known for their moisturizing, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. These ingredients, coupled with the benefits of beeswax and essential orange and lavender oils, provide you with a unique relaxation experience that helps you sleep better. The high content of essential fatty acids, protein, and minerals are readily absorbed through the pores of your skin, providing you with extra hydration and nutrients that prevent the appearance of blemishes. Even more, its active compounds will help relax your muscles and joints. This is key to getting uninterrupted rest. This ointment can even be used to fight those awful menstrual cramps. This is because it activates your circulation and diminishes their severity. How to make this sleep ointment. This therapeutic ointment for sleep can be made at home. All you have to do is follow some very simple steps and use ingredients that are easily acquired at your herbalist or natural store. The combination of aromas in this product helps relax your body, so it's best to use high-quality ingredients. While you can find low-cost alternatives, especially for coconut and olive oil, it's best to get 100 organic versions to get all the benefits. In addition, don't confuse essential oils with simple essences, as the latter only have aromatic properties. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 100 grams. 1/2 cup of olive oil, 100 grams. 3 tablespoons of beeswax, grated, 45 grams. 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil, 5 grams. 1 teaspoon of orange essential oil, 5 grams. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon essential oil, 2 grams. Preparation. First, heat the coconut oil in a double boiler. Then, add the olive oil and beeswax, and simmer on low heat until all ingredients are mixed. When everything is melted, stir with a wooden spoon and remove from heat. Then, before it solidifies, add the essential oils and blend well. Finally, pour the product into an airtight glass jar and, when it acquires a creamy texture, you can apply it. How to use. Take a small amount of the ointment and rub it on your feet using gentle massages. Cover them with socks and rest. If you like, apply a little more in areas like the chest and back for a more relaxing experience. In fact, you even can rub it with your fingertips on your temples to calm stress and headaches. Try making this wonderful product at home and have it on hand. It's a great solution to help you sleep better, especially when you suffer from insomnia.